Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard layout or keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to begin with opening the settings. They are in the upper panel, so let's tap. Then we have to tap on languages. And this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll and find it, or you can simply enter a search language and enter the name of the language. After finding, just tap on it. And now we can choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option which you'd like to use and tap on Done. Before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So now we can go back to the to our keyboard, and as you can see here, we've got the hint that our new language has been installed, and tap the language key to switch. However, we do not have the language key anywhere here. This also doesn't work. And after tapping on the settings icon, we will be transferred again to the list of languages. I'm not sure if it is a bug or it is a new update, and this is how it works now. I'm not sure. However, I'll show you how to do it. So let me just confirm it. So just let me explain. If you've got here a globe icon, which was shown right here in the tip, then simply tap on it and your device will change the keyboard layout. If not, we have to try to do something with that. And what we will do, simply tap on this 4 dots icon here in this upper panel, and as you can see, we've got this option next language here. And after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the Urdu one. I mean the camera, not the camera, but the keyboard type will switch from one to another. However, let's be honest, it's not the most comfortable thing to do. We would like to do it a little bit faster. So let me set new language again. And what we can do here is to tap on this 4 dots icon again, tap on next language and hold it. Tap and hold it, and then drag it to this first section. For example, maybe here. Okay, now we can go back, and as you can see right now, the globe icon is here, so we will be able to quickly change the layout. Oh, that was the settings. Sorry. So here, just by tapping on the globe icon, unfortunately, we cannot move it from here to here. Maybe something in the settings will allow us to actually change it, for example, the emoji, stickers, etc. However, I just wanted to show you how you can do it if you do not have the globe icon right here. And now, how to remove the language. We have to open the settings again. Tap on the languages, and here in this section we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language which you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. And obviously then the globe icon here will not be that necessary. Actually, it will be invisible. As you can see, it will immediately disappear, and it means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.